Hi everybody, Paul Burton, Manager of Safety and Training Services with Arenda. I'm here today to have a talk to you about the new work health and safety legislation that's coming into Western Australia on the 1st of January 2012. Under the Work Health and Safety Act, we will see the introduction of the management of risks, which is a proactive approach to hazard management. This means effectively going out and controlling existing and known risks in the workplace, just like the pothole you have in your car park. You know, the one that you drive into and then drive back out of each day before you park your car. And we all say that one day we're going to get around to filling that in. Well, get out there and fill that hole in the car park, because if the courier who's dropping off your photocopier paper jumps out of his van and breaks his ankle, you will be held accountable for not having controlled a known risk in your workplace. Ladies and gentlemen, this is about actively seeking out and controlling risks and ensuring a safe workplace for all persons. We're talking about prompt completion of hazard forms. We're talking about putting together accident and incident investigations in a timely manner. Hey, it could even be talking about the formulation of a risk register. What about risk? Well, risk is the likelihood that a harmful consequence, death, injury or illness, might result when exposed to a hazard. And risk control? Risk control means taking action to first eliminate health and safety risks so far as is reasonably practicable, and if that is not possible, minimising the risk so far as is reasonably practicable. Eliminating a hazard will also eliminate any risks associated with that hazard. Effective risk management starts with a commitment from those who operate or manage the business or undertaking. You need to involve your workers, and if you show them that you are serious about health and safety, they are more likely to follow your lead. To demonstrate your commitment, management should get involved in health and safety issues and invest time and money in health and safety and ensure that health and safety responsibilities are clearly understood. So what is the process? Well, it's a four-step process. Identify, assess, control and review. So the first step is identify hazards, and effectively this means finding out what could cause harm in your workplace. Assessing risk means understanding the likelihood of a hazard causing harm and how serious it could be. Controlling risk means implementing the most effective control measure that is reasonably practicable in the circumstances. And reviewing control measures, we do this to ensure that they are working as planned. Sometimes it's not enough to implement a control measure and simply move on. You have to review to ensure that the controls that have been put in place are effective. So when should you use this risk management approach? Effectively, managing health and safety risks is an ongoing process that is triggered when any changes affect your work activities. You should work through these steps when you're starting a new business